Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add another admin to Facebook page. So before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up your Facebook page in your Facebook app, and then you need to tap on your Facebook page profile picture at the top right here, and then here at the top right here you will see a gears option. Okay, a settings gears option here like this one. So just tap on this one and it will open up the page settings for you. Okay, so we just have to wait until it loads up the setting for us. Just wait. Okay, now here you will tap on page settings here, and then it will open up page settings for us. Okay, and now if you scroll down here, okay, then you will see this option here where it says that page access, invite people to help manage your page and control who has access to it. Just tap on this one, and now tap on people with Facebook access, add new, and then click on next. And now here search that specific person name that you want to add as an admin to your page. So I will just add my friend here. I will tap on his name, and now here it says that allow this person to also have full control. So just when you enable this, now this person will be added as an extra admin to my page. Okay, and then he have a full access to my page, and when you tap on give access, this person will get a invitation, and then when he accept the invitation, he will become as an admin to our Facebook page. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.